Hey, what's up, man? So ARENAVINCENT here, man. We're gonna do this. We're gonna try this Kentucky Fried Chicken right here. Boom. The donut, fucking cheese, donut hamburger, donut chicken sandwich, man. It's 2 donuts, 2 glazed donuts. There you go. Cut it open a little bit. 2 glazed donuts and a chicken. Look at that shit. That's why I'm fat. Look at all that glaze right there in the bottom. It's gonna be a mukbang, so if you know what a mukbang is, this is what we're gonna do. Try this video all in the one because you're gonna watch me eat this motherfucker. It's real sticky though, man, so there's one tip already. You're gonna eat this, make sure you eat it at home. Don't eat it on the go, don't drive. Because unless you like sticky ass steering wheels and shit. Let's go with this on the back of my car. Damn. It's no joke. I mean, see, look, here's a donut on top. Here's one donut. There you go. And then look, that's what it looks like if you take the donut off. So mostly all the stickiness is on the bottom. Man, it's hot too, it's hot. Like, sticky warm. Look at that shit. Be big. I guess they're the two-handed motherfucker. Let's do this. You know what? It's actually decent. I mean, you can taste the fried chicken. It's crunchy. The donuts themselves are not soggy, they're crunchy donuts. Well, fuck it, let's keep eating. Well, this motherfucker is hot. Like, temperature of the food is warm. You know? It's good. Pretty different. I think I got the original in the middle, the original chicken. I think you can choose. You can even choose chicken. You can choose it hot, mild. So, but I just got original. I didn't make a choice. There we go. Oh shit. Okay, good. I dropped the packaging, but it's good. But it didn't land. Didn't make no mess. It's good. You would think it'd be overly sweet, but it's not really. I don't think it is. It's not overly sweet or sugary. But of course it does have that glaze on it. But so far so good. Like, I'm not really grossed out at it. About it. You would think you might be like, look at that glaze. See, nasty, huh? But it's actually not bad at all. Oh fuck. That far. And right when you eat the chicken and the glaze and the donut like all in one bite, it tastes like taste all the mixings and the flavors and shit. But like my chicken breast is hot. It's hot though. Like the temperature of the food, that's why I'm like eating. It's like, oh shit. Try this video, mukbang. I don't know what I'm gonna name this video. I don't know if I'll name it a mukbang. I don't know if I'll name it a try this video. It might be like both. Cause you're watching me eat this whole thing. So that's what it is. Kentucky Fried Chicken donut. Thank you for that. But yeah, like my hand, look at my hand right now. It's all sticky, my fingers. I mean to mess on myself a little bit. But I would give this a good. You can probably eat it with a fork and a knife if you want to do that. Be all fancy with it. Sorry about all the noises. You know, I gotta breathe when I'm eating. But it is a good burger. Again, like my first expectations and whatever, my first impressions of it was like, ugh, man, this is too much donut and too much glaze. You know, it might be nasty. But the donut is like a fried, crispy donut. You know, like if you get a donut like at the fair, so it's like deep fried. So it's not like a soggy or soft donut. There you go, at the top of it. There you go. Basically, it's like a chicken breast, or like whatever they put in a chicken sandwich. That's the chicken meat, no bone. And then there's the bottom. That's good. When I first saw it advertised, I was like, ugh, that's pretty weird. Basically like fair food or whatever. Because of deep fried donuts and chicken in the middle. I'm happy. And that was that, man. That was it. Arena Vincent exploring life. Wow, I don't have nothing.
They got wings now.
And then I guess they have wings too. There's the wings right here. That'll be like a. Let's check it out. At first I thought, to me they looked like it was just like chicken. They just put sauce on it. But let's grab one of these motherfuckers before we go. There you go. Here's the wing. What it looks like. What kind of sauce is on it? Buffalo? Buffalo sauce. Let's do this. Yeah, it is a wing. It's like a drumstick. Like a wing, stupid ass. Try it with the ranch. Some people are ranch people, other people like blue cheese. I don't know what the fuck. I don't. Ranch is cool. Pretty good. There you go. Those are the wings. They're not boneless though. That'd be cool if they were. They're that big and they're boneless. That'd be even cooler. More like the traditional wings or Kentucky Fried Chicken, man. That was some good food. There you go. Wings. No, I got food on my shirt, but it's all good because it's like Kentucky Fried Chicken, donut sandwich, and wings, baby. That's what we did today. Here are the wings. That's the sandwich because I already ate it. There you go. Do that for the thumb line. There you go, man. Exploring life as always. Thank you for watching my first ever mukbang and a try this video all in the same thing. As always, thank you for exploring the arena we call life. Your homie Arena Vincent. Vincent 365 Production. Novello. Peace. Hey, fried chicken donut. That shit was good. Real good. Peace.